My name is Nilesh Nagarashit. I am from Manara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 9th standard, that is surface areas and volumes. In surface areas and volumes we already discussed about surface areas of cube, cuboid and right circular cylinder. So in the last class we are discussing about right circular cone. In that some of the problems we discussed. So let us move on to the next set of problems. Let us take the first problem of this video here. So here just observe, we have the problem, that is what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius is 6 meter. So here just observe, tarpaulin we have already, we know that the tarpaulin commonly is in the form of a rectangle shape. Here it is given 3 meter wide it is, that means breadth of that rectangular tarpaulin is 3 meter, it is given, but length it is not given here. Okay, so that doesn't, we can take it as L. Yes. So then we have to make that conical tent using this rectangular tarpaulin. But it is given that the height of that cone it is given, height of this conical tent it is given is 8 meter and the base radius it is 6 meter it is given. So if you want to find out the curved surface area, because so whatever the conical tent we have, the base part it is empty only. So that means here with the tarpaulin is used to make the conical tent, that means it's only the curved surface area, not the bottom radius, that is bottom circle, not the base circle. Okay, so here we have to find out the curved surface area. For that one we want slant height. Whether the slant height is there? No. So that's why we have to find out the slant height here. That is, firstly it is given h, it is given. The value of h it is 8 meter and value of radius it is 6 meter it is given. So using that one we can find out the slant height L. So L is equal to square root of r square plus h square is equal to square root of r square, it is 6 square plus 8 square is equal to square root of 36 plus 64. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64 here. So is equal to 36 plus 64, it is 100. Is equal to 10 meter here. So value of L is equal to 10 meter we got. So already we know that the conical tent is in the conical cone shaped and tarpaulin is used to make that conical tent only on the curved surface area. So that's why we have to find out the curved surface area here. So the tarpaulin is used to make curved surface area of conical tent. So that means the curved surface area of the right circular cone, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. So what is the value of pi? So here it is given pi is equal to 3.14. We have to take here it is given, that is pi is equal to 3.14 only we have to take. That is 3.14 into what's the value of r here, it is 6 and what's the value of L, it is 10 is equal to, here 3.14 into 6 into 10 we have. So here I will multiply 3.14 into 10. So we have 31.4 into 6 is equal to 6 into 4 24, we have 2 and 6 into 1 6 plus 2 it is 8 and here we have the decimal point and 6 into 3 it is 18, 188.4 it is meter square. Whether it is meter, it is meter square. Yes. So here we found out the curved surface area of the cone. So that means 188.4 meter square of tarpaulin is required here to make the conical tent. Yes. So then here we have another part is there, that is assume extra length of material that will be required for stitching the margin. Okay. So here it is extra length, it is we want that one. So no problem to stitching the margin. So it is no problem. So and for that one some wastage occurs. It is approximately 10-20 centimeter. 20 centimeter it is given, but here we have to find out the length of the tarpaulin. That is length of the tarpaulin we have to find out here. So we have the curved surface area, that is that length of that area of this tarpaulin is used to make this curved surface area here. But in the length, some part it is wasted for making stitches. Okay, so that one we have to take here. Yes. So that means here just observe some part, that is 20 centimeter part, it is wasted because of make stitchings and cuttings. Okay, that means so in the length of the rectangular tarpaulin, so 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter means what about meters? It is 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 100. It is 0.2. 0.2 meter is wasted. 0.2 meter it is wasted here. So that means then here just observe in the length it is wasted. In the length it is wasted means the waste part we have to remove. We don't want that one. So in the length 0.2 meter we have to remove for making stitches and margins and cuttings. But except that 0.2 meter length, except this 0.2 meter, what are the wastages we have? So that is, so only the length of the rectangular sheet except 0.2 meter. So we have to take for the making conical tent. So that means, so L minus 0.2 meter. L.0.2 meter length is required to make this conical tent. Here we have. That is, whatever the L minus 0.2 meter length and 3 meter wide rectangular sheet is required to make this conical tent of curved surface area 188.4 meter square. That means whatever the area of rectangular tarpaulin we have, so in that rectangular tarpaulin, so in that the length we have to take L minus 0.2 meter and the breadth will be 3 meter here. So using that radius, so using that area of the tarpaulin, we have to make this conical tent of length, conical tent of curved surface area 188.4 meter square. That means area of the tarpaulin is equal to curved surface area. Yes, so that is area of the tarpaulin is equal to curved surface area of cone. So here we know that area of the tarpaulin means area of the rectangular sheet, that is length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to curved surface area, it is 188.4 meter square. So what's the length here? Length it is L minus 0.2. L minus 0.2 and breadth it is wide, it is given, that is 3 meter. 3 is equal to 188.4. Then, so here we have to transpose all the things except L. So this L is our required thing, that is what is the length of this tarpaulin used to make, we have to make the conical tent. That is, so L minus 0.2 is equal to 188.4 divided by 3, answer is, so 3 into 6 and here 8 comes, so 3 into 2, 62, here only 2 remains, so 2 remains means here we can take the point and we can take 4 here, so that is 3 into 8, so here 24 and 3 into 6, yes, correct. So here we have the answer, that is 62.8, that is L minus 0.2, that is it's a L minus 0.2 here. So that is, so here we have to add this one, that is complete tarpaulin we have to find out here, that is L is equal to 62.8 plus 0.2 here. So is equal to L is equal to 63 meter, that is meter here, that is 63 meter of tarpaulin is required to make this conical tent along with the stitches and cutting, that is 63 meter length of tarpaulin is required to make conical tent of curved surface area, that is 188.4 meter square, that is of CSU. You can write that one. Yes. So here it is the solution of this problem. Firstly we have to find out the slant height, and then we have to find out the curved surface area, because tarpaulin is used to make curved surface area of the conical tent, and then we have to remove this 0.2 part because it is wasted for the curved stitchings and cuttings, and then we have to equate the area of the tarpaulin is equal to curved surface area of the cone. So the area of the tarpaulin rectangular sheet, it is length into breadth. So in the length we inserted the value, that is L minus 0.2, breadth it is given 3 meter, and the curved surface area we found out, and when you solve this equation you get the value of length, complete length 63 meter along with the stitches and wastage. So 63 meter of tarpaulin is required to make this conical tent of curved surface area 188.4. So whatever the measurement it is, height it is 8 meter and the base radius it is 6 meter it is required. So let us move on to the next problem. Let's take two homework here. So here we have the two homework. So those two are cost related. Already you aware of such things, cost related problems, that is in 1 meter square. So we have to pay 50 rupees, means there are 100 meter squares are there. So for that one how much we have to pay? So that means 100 into 50 we have to take like that. So both the sides, in 1 meter square we have to pay 50. So 100 meter square means both the side we have to multiply 100. Already you aware of such things. So you know the techniques of those things here. So let us discuss about this thing, these two homeworks. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made up of recycled cardboard. So here bus stop is there, and the other part of the bus stand it is covered with the 50 hollow cones. Hollow means, so inside the cone there is no anything. So only it is a surface. Only it is a curved surface is there, inside not there, no anything here. So only from the outside we have it's the shape of cone. So that means here we have to find out only the curved surface area. That is, it is understood that only outside we have means it is curved surface area we have to find out, and each cone has a diameter of 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. Here just observe centimeter, here meter we have. So be aware of those things, we have to convert here, and for better 40 centimeter we have to convert in the form of meter. And using that one you can find out the slant height and the curved surface area, it is complete. And then if the outside of each of the cone is to be painted, and the cost of the painting is rupees 12 per meter square. So when we found out the curved surface area, so that much curved surface area we have, and along with that another information is that 50 hollow cones we have to construct there. 50 hollow cones we want there. So that's why here firstly when we found out the curved surface area, find out the total area of cardboard required for the 50 hollow cones. That is, for one hollow cone some curved surface area it is required. So that means the curved surface area of the cardboard, it is required for one hollow cone. But there are 50 hollow cones are there. So that's why for the 50 hollow cones how much cardboard it is required? that one you have to find out. And then in that case we found out at that time, we found out the total surface area of the cardboard we can find out at that time. And then, so on the cardboard we have to paint. Here, the outside of the each cone we have to paint. And the cost of the paint is ₹12 per meter square. That means for 50 hollow cones, so all the 50 hollow cones we have to paint. So that's why all the 50 hollow cones, for the 50 hollow cones we require some of the surface area of the rectangle, surface area of the cardboard we want. So for that one, so we have to paint that one. Per meter square we have to pay 12 rupees. The number of that means we have the 50 hollow cones. For 50 hollow cones we have some area of cardboard. So totally we have to paint at a rate of 12 meter square, 12 rupees per meter square. So that means per meter square we have to pay 12 rupees, and we have the total area of the cardboard, and that total area of the cardboard to paint how much it costs we have to find out. So already you know the techniques of cost related problems. Using that one we have to find out. Yes, so this is the first problem, and here we have to use pi is equal to 3.14, and in some case we have 1.04, square root of 1.04. so in which case we have, so just substitute the value, it is root of 1.04 is equal to 1.02, it is possible. And the next problem, let us move on to the next problem. A conical tent is 10 meter high, and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Radius it is given, height it is given. So using the height and the radius we can find out the slant height. Here just observe conical tent. Tent means already we know that the example of previous example, that is conical tent. So it's hollow inside. So that's why there is no any base part. So that's why only we have to find out the curved surface area here, and slant height of the tent we have to find out, and the curved surface area we have to find out, and the cost of the canvas required to make a tent. If the cost of 1 meter square canvas is ₹70, that is the canvas means it is a material to make this conical tent. So that one per meter square we have to pay 70 rupees, and how much curved surface area we have, that one we have to find out, and for that totally how much curved surface area of the tent we have, so that one, for that one how much we have to pay, that one we have to find out. So I hope you understood these things. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.